In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn TikTok ads off. Navigating through the digital landscape can often feel like venturing through an uncharted territory. Today we're taking a closer look at TikTok, a platform that has managed to captivate millions worldwide. Specifically, we're diving into how you can gain more control over the content you're exposed to, namely how to turn off ads. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Ads are an integral part of most online platforms, TikTok included. They are a major revenue source for these platforms and help keep the services free for users. However, there might be instances when you want to limit this exposure, whether for focus or simply to enhance your user experience. Here's how you can do exactly that. First off, head over to TikTok ads. This is where your journey begins. Many users aren't aware that TikTok, like many other social platforms, offers a way to manage ad preferences directly through its advertising portal. Next, click on the Login button. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's crucial. Logging in ensures that the changes you make will be applied to your account specifically. Remember, any adjustments to ad settings need to be associated with an account to take effect. Following that, it's time to input your credentials, your email and password. Type these in carefully. One minor typo could prevent you from logging in, so take your time. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. TikTok offers a password recovery option to get you back on track. After entering your details, click on Login once more. This might feel repetitive, but it's part of the process to secure your account and ensure that changes are made by the rightful account holder. You might then be prompted to get verified with CAPTCHA. This step is in place to confirm that you're not a robot trying to make unauthorized changes. Complete the CAPTCHA as instructed and click Confirm. It's a small step that plays a significant role in protecting user accounts from automated access attempts. Upon successful verification, TikTok will often send a code to your email as an additional layer of security. This is where keeping your email account handy comes in. Check your inbox for the code, head back to the TikTok ads page and type it in. This two-factor authentication process adds another layer of protection to your account. Now, with all the login steps out of the way, navigate your way to the campaigns section. This is where all the magic happens. From here you can review and manage your advertising campaigns if you're an advertiser. But more importantly, for our purpose, you can adjust settings related to the ads you see. Look for the on-off column. This might require a bit of scrolling depending on how many campaigns you're running or being targeted by. The design of the interface is straightforward, ensuring that even those new to the platform can navigate it with ease. Finally, to turn the ad off, simply toggle the switch in the on-off column. It's as easy as that. Turning off an ad doesn't mean you'll never see another ad again on TikTok, but it does allow you to manage your specific ad preferences, including disabling ads that might not be relevant to you. I hope this walkthrough has shed some light on how to tailor your TikTok experience to suit your preferences better. Remember, navigating the ad settings on TikTok isn't just about turning ads off, it's about taking control of what you're exposed to while using the app. Whether you're looking to minimize distractions or tailor the content to better suit your interests, understanding how to manage these settings can significantly enhance your TikTok experience. So give it a go. Take a moment to explore the ad settings on TikTok. You might find that with a few simple adjustments, your browsing experience can become much more enjoyable. And who knows, by taking control of your digital environment, you might just discover a more seamless way to enjoy the vast ocean of content that TikTok has to offer.